have jicama, malanga coco. I need some jicama.
Find our episodes at giantfood.com/healthyliving or on your favorite podcast app. Just search Healthy Living by Giant.
$0.89 each. Bought a pack of 8 limes. $2.99 with $1 off coupon, so $1.99. Same with the limes. Cantaloupes, $3.49 a pound, kind of expensive. Snowstorm is coming. It's gonna hit us on Sunday and Monday. I really have everything I need. What I'm low on is the extra virgin olive oil. The 25. Is this it? No, that's a 50 ounce. Oh no, I think they're sold out of the sale. Extra virgin olive oil. That's $5.99 for the next 3 days. Oh no. Okay. I want an extra virgin, but they're sold out. Oh no, they only have the classic. Okay, but I'll still take the classic. All right. 25.5 ounces. Which one is it? What's the regular price? I think it's this one. Oh, the extra virgin was $11.49.99. That's sold out. The regular olive oil is $9.49. But with the 3-day sale, it's $5.99 each. I should have. So six. So $6 is 6 times 3 is 18. I'll grab 4. 6 times 4 is 24.
The rush that we're having right now is no telling. You can always ask at the desk and they might be able to give you either have somebody in grocery go and check for you, or they can give you a rain check.
Okay. Thank you. Somebody to check. All right, we'll check with customer service. All right.
Online pickup. Telephone call on 237. Online pickup. Telephone call on 237.
Hi.
I'm waiting until it takes 109 to 109, please.
It's easy to forget to stay hydrated in these cold months, but hydration is important for health, including our immune system. Water is great, but don't forget that soup, tea, fruits, and vegetables all count too. For more ideas to try something new, register for our Healthier Together Rethinking Resolutions
Hi.
at giantfood.com/healthy living.
I do need some help. How you doing? Oh, okay. I'm looking for the extra virgin olive oil version of this. It's empty over there, but I see something on the top shelf. Okay.
Hi, I'm Sue, the oldest on the Healthy Living team at Giant. Are you looking to renew your health commitments this new year? Or maybe you're looking for ways to save money and time? No matter what your health goals are, our team is here to help you. Register for our health series, Healthier Together Rethinking Resolutions. This 4-week program will help jumpstart your healthy new year. Register now at giantfood.com/healthy living.
Online pickup. Telephone call on 237. Online pickup. Telephone call on 237.
That box that's pushed in. Not that. It's that one right where your fingers are. Next door. That one. Oh, sorry. Are you okay?
I'm good.
Oh, that's not it, because it's 50 point. Yeah, it's too big. So, is there any way you can check in the back to see if you have the 25.3 ounce?
Yeah, it's whatever out here is out.
Oh.
Put out. But it's gonna be more next morning.
What's tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. Thanks for checking though. All right. Will I buy these or do I wait till tomorrow? Aim for this in the extra virgin olive oil. It's empty. There's none over there. And one guy looked up for me and I didn't see a top and he said you're getting a shipment in tomorrow.
Yes.
Is that, but do we know if this particular,
The extra virgin one?
yeah, 25.3 ounce?
White guy?
Black guy.
What did he scan? Did he scan something?
He didn't scan anything. He just said that you're getting the shipment
We
tomorrow.
get a delivery tonight for tomorrow.
Okay.
So I don't know if it's on that delivery. I gotta look.
Oh, okay.
But it's a guy. So that's why I said I thought it was the white guy. 'Cause the white guy can scan it and look at it.
Okay.
He can tell you. But I think it's. Let me see. That's done.
So I need the one that's on sale. The 25 ounce is the $5.99.
You said it's a 25 ounce?
Yeah, it's exactly this size.
Okay.
But I need the extra virgin olive oil.
Okay, let me find it.